Hello and welcome to my new scholarship episode. I'm Dr. Mohammed Ikram and you're watching SRJ Africa. Many students have requested to make a video how to make an effective and successful resume for our scholarship application, as well as if we want to apply for any job. So we should get a confirmed interview call. If you have tried and tired of submitting your CVs for multiple different platform to submit for any job application, but you never get any interview call. So in this video, I'm going to share a secret with all of you through which you are going to understand a very tricky and very important method through which you will be able to get a interview call if you want to apply for any job in any company. So I have experienced this secret. I have applied this method on many different students and we got 100% successful and satisfactory result. So before going to my computer screen, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You will get the notification of all my future videos on time. We have a WhatsApp group. You can see the QR code appearing on the screen. Simply use your mobile camera and scan this code and join our WhatsApp group. So let's go to my computer screen. I'm going to share the secret with all of you. And I'm very confident after understanding this very tricky and very important method, you will never have a problem in your life of getting an interview call from any company. So let's go to my computer screen and start this process. Let's start. Welcome to my computer screen. SRJ Africa is a unique platform that provides the valuable information of scholarship, research, and jobs. The main objective of SRJ Africa is to develop a sustainable future in this world. Okay, so I have divided this video into two parts. In the first part, I'm going to show how to make an effective CV, and the second part, I'm going to talk about the concept of ATS CV and how you can make a ATS-friendly CV for any job. So as you know, I have already mentioned in all my previous video, I have uploaded more than 40 professional CV templates or ATS-friendly CV templates on my website. You should download and you can make the very good, very attractive and elegant CV for your scholarship application or if you want to apply for any job. First of all, I'm going to show these more than 40 professional CV templates I have already uploaded on my website, www.srjafrica.com. Go to download section and you can easily download all these 40 CV templates in Microsoft Word format, completely free of cost. Okay, so here we have the 40. It's more than 40 because every document has a PNG format, so it should be more than 80 files in this folder. Okay, so here I can show, for example, the first one. We have here is the CV template. Okay, so you can put here your picture, your education, objective, contact me, work experience, language skills, or you can add more pages to make your CV more comprehensive and more attractive. So I used this format because I like more than other format, format number 25. And this is very elegant and very attractive CV template. So I use the same template, but I customize this template. I use the different color combinations and added some more pages and make it more elegant. So I will show my CV at the end of this video so you can see how it's more elegant. I use the same format for my CV template. Okay, so that is, you hope you understand how to make a CV. So let's go to the second important step. If you want to apply for any job and you are facing difficulties or not getting any confirmed interview call. Okay, so before starting the second process, I would like to here mention the concept of ATS. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. You know, all these companies are big or small, medium-sized companies. They have a online recruitment system where they are asking any applicant to submit all these documents, required documents, or any other types of necessary information, CV, cover letter, any other thing, and then submit. These companies, HR recruiter, HR department, they don't have much time to go through one by one, line by line to check your CV. So ATS system automatically selects some CVs based on a mechanism that I'm going to share this secret. What is the mechanism they use based on the ATS system, and select the CV that is more suitable for that position. Okay. Now the question is this: many times you have experience, you feel like you are the best candidate based on your education, your experience, your skills, and you have the same area of study, but still you are not getting any interview call. So problem is not in you, problem is not in the company, problem is to understand the concept of ATS and to make a ATS friendly CV for any jobs position. Okay, so now the question is this: how can we make a very attractive and that is ATS friendly CV for any jobs position? So okay, I'm going to show in the second step. First, I'm going to show a website where we are going to do a live demonstration. We will going to understand the process. So please watch this video till end. This is very important part of this video, and I'm pretty sure after watching this video, you will never have any problem of getting any confirmed interview call from any company or any organization in this world. Okay, I'm going to show first. We have to generate a word clouding. Maybe you are familiar with this word clouding mechanism. So I'm going to show to go to this website. I'm going to open this website into two tabs. So we have to generate twice this. Okay, so click on the free word cloud generator. You can find the link of this website in the description. Okay, now we need first any job ad where the company or any organization or any university who advertise any position. They want some people for that specific position. They have mentioned the title of the position, the job specification, the job description, each and everything. Okay, so first we have to copy the job description from that job and we have to paste here to generate a word cloud. Okay, so I'm going to show, for example, a job. Let's suppose this is a job position, assistant professor in management research. You know, Indeed.com is one of the prestigious job hunting website. I'm just giving an example according to your field, according to your area of study. You can find any job. You can use any website, either Indeed.com or Glassdoor.com, Naukri.com, or whatever. There are many websites available on internet. Okay, so I'm going to show the concept and how you will make a very effective and successful ATS friendly based CV that will help you to get a confirmed interview call. Okay, here you can see the description and qualification. Simply we have to copy this, all the content in the description part. Okay, before up to here, I just simply copy, go to the first step, paste here, click on the save cloud, and here you can find this is called word cloud. So automatically this word cloud has got all the important keywords from this job description and gave us how many times one keyword appear in this job description. So research is one of the top attractive, or the frequency of these keywords is high in this job description. So you can see here the research, activities, business program, knowledge center, and so on. Okay, second step, we have to again generate a word cloud, but based on the content available in our resume. So you have to simply go to your resume, Control A, copy all the content and paste into this empty box. Okay, here the same thing we are going to do, and I am going to copy all the content from my CV and I will paste into this empty section. I have copied all the content from my CV into this box, and automatically this generator has generated a word cloud based on all the content available in my CV. So you can see research also a high frequency word in my CV that is matched with the job description, high frequency keyword. Now what to do after generating this word cloud? You have to make this sure all these keywords from that job description must be available in your CV. So if it is not, at least each keyword should be available at least one time in your CV. So research here is the one of the high frequency. So you have to use this keyword multiple times on the different location in your CV. So, okay. So this is the first step. So I hope you understand the first step very easily. You have to generate the word cloud based on the job description and also the content from your CV. And you have to make this sure all the keywords in the job description are available in your CV. Okay. So what's first step is done. Now I'm going to show the second important steps. Now you have the CV in hand, and we are going to check the ATS scoring of the CV that will tell us this CV has high chances to be selected for a interview call. Okay, so we have to go to another website that is called JobScan. I'm going to upload my CV. I'm going to show how much score we will get it, and that website or that tool will also give us more guidelines if we can improve the content of our CV up to the mark, and that will also give us a high ATS scoring that will enhance or boost our chances to get a confirmed interview call. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to show another website. Okay, this is the second website, JobScan. First, you have to create an account, register on this website. This is very authentic website. Will give you exact ATS scoring of your CV, and through which you can get more chances to get a confirmed interview call. Okay, so now we have a CV in our hand. Same process we have to repeat, but here we have to compare the CV based on the keywords we get from that is job description versus the same description. Okay, so there is a good thing of this website. You can scan your CV for 5 times free of cost, but if you want to scan more than 5 times, then you have to buy their premium version. Okay, so I'm going to show how you can get all the ATS scoring of your CV. Okay, simply here, resume and the job description. I'm going to again copy the job description and going to paste here, and also copy all the content from my CV based on the new keywords I have already added in my CV. I'm going to paste here and see how much I'm getting the scores based on the modification of my CV based on that word cloud. Okay, so here we have the same job description. So paste here, and I'm going to paste my CV content into this empty box. Okay, I have here copied both sides, the job description and my CV content, and simply click on scan. Now this tool or this website will calculate the ATS score for my CV and will also give me some recommendation how I can improve ATS scoring of my CV. Okay, now this website is scanning my CV based on this ATS scoring, and we can see here I have 76% ATS scoring, and you have reached the recommended match rate. You can feel confident applying with this resume. So this website has calculated a ATS score for my CV based on the trick I used, and now they are recommending me this CV we are recommending is fit for this position. But still, if we want to improve, so I can improve up to 90% or more than 90%. So based on these guidelines, they're saying adding this job company name and web address can help us provide you ATS specific tip. Then in the contact information, we didn't find a phone number in your resume. We didn't find an email in your resume. So if you will add, so it will improve your ATS score. Job title, the job title, assistant professor from the job description also found in your resume. We recommended this is to be case to ensure you are found when recruiters search by you as a title. Okay, so you can see here, so it really improved my CV, this trick. And if you will work little more on this, so you can easily improve the ATS score of your CV. Now make this sure you are not going to use one CV for multiple positions in the different companies. Never do this. You have to customize your CV based on the job description of any position in any company. Sometimes job description are slightly changed from company to company. you have to make this sure you are using a new modification version of your CV for a new position. So I am pretty sure through which you will be able to understand, or you will be able to make a very successful and effective CV for any job or for your scholarship application. I hope you understand this simple and tricky process, the technical and a secret process. I'm pretty sure after applying this process, you will get a confirmed interview call from any company. This is my CV. I use the same template. Here I put my picture. It's just use the different color combination. A blue is more elegant and more attractive. Here you can add contact information, the LinkedIn, web link, or any other professional other research-based platform web link you can add as a hyperlink, core competence, career highlights, profile summary, professional experience, as well as I have added all my education experience, my soft skills, my hard skills, all my services that I have provided, I'm providing now in academia or outside university, or many other kind of information to make this CV more attractive and ATS friendly based CV. Okay, that's all about. I hope you enjoy this process. It's a very simple and easy process. I just want to make this sure, and this is my recommendation. Never use one CV for multiple jobs. Just you have to use this process. Make a modified version of your CV for any job position in any company, because sometimes if the job position are same in different companies, so might be there is a possibility they have the different job description. So this is a very tricky and very secret method through which I am very confident you will definitely get a confirmed interview call from any company. Okay, if you like this video, so please share with your friends. Also, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You will get the notification of all my future videos on time. If we have a WhatsApp group, simply use your mobile camera, scan this QR code and join our WhatsApp group. So see you in the next video with a more valuable information of scholarships, research, and jobs. Take care. Have a good day.